Jackie, how are you today?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. We're really interested in the background of nuclear at FAI and Associates. So we wanted to ask your expertise and ideas about how you think FAI and Associates is important in the nuclear industry. And starting with, what's the history and background of FAI in the nuclear industry, and why is that significant?
So it goes back to the early 80s. Our emeritus presidents, current emeritus presidents, started FAI. We focused in two different areas, testing and nuclear. FAI started out with a very good understanding with Dr. Bob Henry of the needs of the nuclear industry, such as water hammer, air intrusion into piping systems, and it has evolved over the years to include many different softwares. We have a severe accident analysis code called MAP that we developed and EPRI owns. We use it worldwide to do a severe accident analysis that feeds into severe accident management guidelines for nuclear power plants all over the world. We also utilize the RELAP code here and have done testing to back these items up and the conclusions that we come to, and that water hammer testing has allowed us to run these codes with confidence and provide these to different utilities, mainly in the United States, but there are a few all over the world. When water hammers are detected, we can test and we can run these simulations and provide solutions for our customers. And following up with that, on the back end of the life cycle for nuclear, you have the waste technology group that performs hydrogen deflagration calculations to determine, make sure that the waste is sitting safely and can be transported safely, and also we use the FAI code there to determine accident analyses from a hydrogen production perspective, which is done during a severe accident in the nuclear power plant. So the experience is widespread, back to, like I said, to the early 80s, and we still hold a lot of that expertise today.
We also have our chemical side of the business and chemical processing, chemical safety. How do you see the nuclear side of it complementing those things?
So we definitely work with our chemical brothers on the other side of the house. We are all one FAI, so nuclear, chemical, you get different. We're all one company serving the greater good of the company. So we've interacted a lot with the flammability group, the thermal hazards groups for relief size, vent relief sizing. We've done detonation calculations to determine pressure waves against fire doors, things of that nature. And with our expertise over here with traveling waves, acoustical waves, that has melded very well with our relief sizing and detonation testing brothers.
When you think about all the way back to Chernobyl and up to Fukushima and then some, I mean, we've been involved in so many different aspects of nuclear and chemical processes.
Most certainly.
How do you feel that we complement Westinghouse, the larger Westinghouse Corporation, and do we work in tandem with them quite a bit?
Absolutely. We have our probabilistic risk assessment brothers up at Westinghouse that we put inputs to from our map codes. We work very well with that group. We've also got other RELAP people out in Westinghouse that help us do reviews or author some of the calculations, and we'll do the reviews. So we work kind of as a third-party reviewer for some Westinghouse efforts, and we also work hand in hand with them with their PRA groups. And we sometimes call upon our Westinghouse brothers. Sometimes when we're not as strong in certain areas, we can pull from the greater Westinghouse resources and complete a project for a customer. As a turnkey project, it would be cradle to grave and all-encompassing project for the customer, so they don't have to go to different vendors. They can come to Westinghouse and Fauske and complete this project that they're looking for.
It's nice to have a one-stop shop for an extreme level of expertise in a variety of areas.
Absolutely, absolutely. It helps our customers. That way they, on the administrative side, they only put one contract out, they only get one offer, they only get one set of project management support and things like that, and that gets it taken care of. One-stop shop.
What about innovations? Is there anything that we're working on currently that comes to mind, or that we're moving forward with?
Absolutely. I mean, a lot of our innovations now, we're not a software development company, but we do software development. So we're developing modifications for the FAI code that we have. We're getting it quality assured so we can use it in nuclear safety applications. For the MAP group, we continue to do development and modules there at EPRI's direction. So our innovation here is just improving on what we currently have, and we also have the SSTDR. I forget what the acronym is. I'd have to look it up, but it's spread spectrum analysis. So basically, in our electrical field, we are partnered. We're partnered with EPRI to do some testing and analysis for the SSTDR, and that is going to be a new online monitoring system for cables and electrical systems. So we're helping EPRI with their innovation efforts there in that field.
If you had to give the elevator speech of Fauske and Associates, particularly the nuclear side, what would you say? How would you describe us in a nutshell, if it's possible?
So our expertise is broad. We are experts in severe accident analysis. We're water hammer and testing experts for many different areas, and we can be a one-stop shop if so desired, to pull in our Westinghouse resources and provide the best quality deliverable for our customers to meet their needs in this ever-changing world.
Great. Thank you very much.
Thank you.